5 psychological tricks to give you the upper hand. 1. Are you okay? In response to an insult, it can show that you're not affected by the insult and may prompt the insulter to reflect on their behavior. 2. Eye contact when suspecting a lie. Maintaining eye contact while someone is speaking can be a way to gauge their sincerity. 3. Keeping a calm voice in an argument. It can make you appear more rational and in control of the situation. 4. Good posture and confidence. Good posture can make you appear more self-assured and open. It can even affect your mood and mindset positively. 5. Widening eyes when talking to someone you love. This is an involuntary physical reaction that can occur when you're emotionally connected to someone. Thanks for watching.